We have to drag lobby, boys.
Okay.
But first, let me take a selfie.
Can he land one of those magic moves? He lands onto Soaz, gets to the other side of him, kicks him back across the screen there. Jankos though takes all of the culling damage, and Roccat are in trouble now. Banda's getting taken low. Zaza's picked off. Fnatic just culling their way through this one.
Hedgehog is actually my favorite feeding champion as well, guys.
That's Shyvana.
I do think he has quite a good death animation.
There's the binding. Crescendo just coming off cooldown. It may be used in a second. Soul Shackle goes down. That's going to be Enrated catching on them. There's the double kill. Enrated taken so low, but gets the heal come off there. Eddie's in trouble. Candy Panda comes in. One more shot.
My mind is telling me no, but my body is telling me yes.
Well, this is all happening behind them. We see Jankos coming around. Walleye catching out. Sullivan does manage to take him down. Elwax zapped out of it by Overpower. Zaza's brought all the attention.
Let's go, Afro.
Clear call, good plans.
Cyanide throwing down the ultimate there. The teleports are going to start to come around. Jerry falling very low. It's reckless against that one to put him onto a rampage. And there's Soaz going around the hook. Goes onto Kirp as well. Double kill for Peke. Kirp went down without using that wild growth, and that means trouble and possibly the game here for Fnatic.
Future matchup, Froggen versus Selfie. Are you ready?
Don't ban Anivia.
No, this is the one time he can actually ban Anivia.
That was a great flash from Kasing. Dragon is going to be going over towards the Super Hot Crew, but Mr. Oz focus. Chuck following him through after the kick there as well. TP was actually cancelled in the top lane for Mima, and now the Super Hot Crew, one by one, going to be picked to pieces.